In today's video, I will show you how to add multiple columns in one step in Power Query using Table.SplitColumn function. This is our source data. Here is our expected result. You can see month, quarter, and year columns are added in a single step. I will start this from scratch here. I will insert a step here, and I will start with Table.SplitColumn function. First argument is a table. Source is the name of our input table. Second argument is source column as text, the column name which are going to split. In our case, it's date. Third argument is splitter as function. We are not going to use any splitter function here, but instead I'm going to use each items in date column in a list format. For that, I will start with the curly braces. Inside curly braces, I will use underscore. Underscore refers to each item in date column. I will close parenthesis and click on this tick mark. For now, it delivers one column table. If I use multiple items inside the list, here I have used 3 items, and this function will deliver a 3 column table. Our requirement is to have 4 columns including date column. For that, I will use 4 underscore within curly braces. Now we can start transforming each items. First column is going to have dates. For that, I will use date.from function will help us to convert date times into dates. Second column, I am going to extract month name. For that, I will use date.from function to convert date times into dates, and then I will use date.toText function. It will help us to extract month names. It's a replacement of a text function in Excel. Third column is going to have quarters. For that, I will use date.quarters. Fourth column is year. For that, again I will try to convert this into a date, and then I will use date.year function. For now, I will close parenthesis and click on this tick mark. The quarter column. If we add q for that quarter number, then it will look a proper one, right? For that, first I will try to convert this into a text. Text.from function will help us to convert numbers into text. Then I'll simply concatenate this with a q. Click on this tick mark and see the result. Now this has been converted into a text. All we need to do is that provide a column names. For that, we can get help from fourth argument, which will help us to provide column names. Again, in the list format, first column is a date, second column is month, third column is quarter, fourth column is year. Close parenthesis and click on this tick mark. We have added multiple columns in one step. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.